Yo, what is going on, fishing friends? It's your boy Dan the Fishman, back at you again with another fishing video, guys. All right, super excited. In the fourth quarter, guys, the goofy jig came in clutch. Came out here today, hurricane pass, and we were gonna go after all these fish, had big illusions of grandeur, and Mother Nature said no thank you. Big wind, big waves, wasn't gonna happen. So everybody took off. I ended up staying and got into some fish, guys. I had like a small window where the fish were biting, and I found them using the goofy jig. So that's all they would eat. Watch this video. If you fished with these before, you know. If you haven't fished with them before, go buy Bait and Tackle, Bay Pines Bait and Tackle, and go grab some. They got all the different colors, the different sizes. They actually got a new BW series that just came out that they just hooked me up with. So go buy Bay Pines Bait and Tackle. Tell them Dan the Fishman sent you. Sit back, watch this epic video of me catching some awesome fish, guys. Tight lines. Let's go. All right, guys, we're out here. Florida Fish Ori's with me. We're getting after it. Yakking time, guys. We do it all, from the feet to the boat to the yak. Wherever the fish are, that's where we're gonna go. I'm on my autopilot 120. You already know, old town style. We're gonna go. We're gonna see what we can get into. Play around a little bit today. We got all day.
We're gonna get into something gnarly.
I like that. I like the way that you think, man. Rolling out to the spot, guys. This autopilot's a game changer. Doing like 4 miles an hour. Just getting out there. Yeah. All right, guys. We made it to the pass. Beautiful area out here. Just a little bit north of where I usually fish. But I need to come out here more. It's not much of a drive for me, and something different. It never hurts, so we're gonna get after it. I'm jigging the Pompano rig right now. See what we can do. Had some friends out here willing them. Will, Salt Yacht Charters, said he hasn't seen any fish yet, but that doesn't mean it won't happen, so see what we can do. Man, we got some nice waves here on the autopilot. I'm on a 4 setting and just cruising them. We're gonna hit this beach over here. Slowly make my way over that way. Because these things are gnarly. All right, guys, pulled up on the island. We're gonna go around the corner in the yaks, but it is absolutely churning. So I'm gonna throw the Pompano jig for a little bit. We'll check on these guys. They're doing lovely. I'm gonna throw the pomp jig. Ori's over there. Holy cow. Man, I switched the jig. Hit immediately. What we got here? A fat trout. Nice trout. Buddy. On the pomp jig. Nice. It's a big boy. Oh man, you stuck that thing in my hand. Come on, bro. See ya. All right. I switched to the pink and pink and first cast. Man, nice bluefish. Oh, I just hooked up something else too. I found him. Another nice trout. Oh, just on the jig. Where's the teaser? Just on the jig, no teaser. That's awesome. Man, it's 4 fish, 4 casts. Just one after another. It was real nasty here. Everybody left and I just sort of hung out and waited. There's a fish right there. I guess I should call these guys. It's the right thing to do. GoPro, stop recording. All right. It's like 3 casts, 3 fish. I might need to put the pink and pink back on. Or maybe it was the weight, I don't know. We'll find out. It was the weight. That's a fish. There you go. Man, we are on them. Had to let those guys know. I sent a message. Tried to give them the heads up. All right, here we go. We're about to have a situation. Never. I'm not drifting. I'm not drifting. I'm not drifting. What are these guys doing? Hello? You're gonna spool me, bro. You're gonna spool me. Hey, you're gonna spool me, man. Catch was. I was. No sorry, no nothing, man. Kayak struggle. Forget about me. Oh, it's frustrating. GoPro, stop recording. Oh! That was Spanish. Man, those guys ticked me off, dude. That's frustrating. That's what you get, suckers. Suck on that. Oops, sorry, bro. That's not cool. Oops, sorry, man. He's all right. Man, what a great day out here. Throwing the pompano jigs. Never know what you're gonna get. We got bluefish, trout. Had a Spanish on. And another mystery fish. Feels trouty. Big trout. Big goozer. Goozer. Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one. Oh. All right. Thought I had a malfunction with my remote there for a second. That would have sucked. I haven't had to paddle this bad boy yet, and I don't plan on it. And I got about another hour, hour and a half. I'm just gonna hang out right here. It's been pretty productive. Might switch back to that pink and pink. Or not. I'm getting hits right here. Go. Man, this thing followed it for a while. I think it's a nice trout. Holy God, I think I got him in the side. Trout in the side. All right, man, one after another. He was following it for forever. I could feel him. Sorry, buddy. Let me grab it. Let me grab it. Yeah, I got him a couple times. All right, guys, just working this goofy jig along the bottom. ½ ounce. And it seems to be working. Man, it was absolutely ripping in here a couple hours ago. It laid down nicely. Everybody left, I stayed, and I was rewarded. Hopefully I keep on getting rewarded. We'll see. Fingers crossed. All right, guys, switch back to that pink and pink. Hopefully that's the ticket. Then they were fired up there for like ½ hour, 45 minutes. It was like one cast after another. But that'll make a day. That'll make your day. I was having a rough day before that. So let's see if the pink and pink will do. Pink and pink, ½ ounce, docks, goofy jigs. Get them at Bay Ponds Bait and Tackle. I'm sure you can get them at other places, but you're not as cool until you get them at Bay Ponds Bait and Tackle. Oh, they learned this time. There you go, guys. They learned this time to look behind them when you set adrift. There you go. That's the key, to look behind you. GoPro, stop recording. Hooked into something here. Trout. Troutzilla. Nice, man. Nice graded trout today. Woo-wee. He's not happy with me. Sorry, buddy. That and that is a winning combo. Oh yeah, I got a good one. Pomp. Pompano. With this freaking guy's line. Pompano. Targeted species, baby. Let's go. I thought I had his line. That thing came out of the water. Man, he stuck me. It's awesome. Dang it. Come on. Well, I was gonna get ready to go, but I think I'm gonna hang out. Targeted species acquired. He's just a little guy. Man, on the goofy jig. Let's go. Got something small here. Sand perch. Sand perchy. See ya. All right, guys, I'm gonna start making my way in. All right, fishing friends, that's all she wrote. Another great day on the water. On the Old Town Autopilot 120 with the Minn Kota spot lock technology. Man, this thing was spot locking all over the place. What a great day. So thanks for coming along with me. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. If you need goofy jigs, head over to Bay Pines Bait and Tackle. They can hook you up. They got everything you need over there, from goofy jigs to all the stuff. Anything, if you don't have anything, they can get it all for you. So go see Steve and Chase, they'll take care of you. And appreciate you coming along with me. Made a great day out of it, guys. About 45 minutes the fish were biting, and then after that it was nothing. So I got it in while I could, and took care of business. So I'm gonna scoot on off to the truck, get loaded up, and head on off to the house. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, appreciate y'all so much. Until next time, guys, tight lines.